Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Ridmik and making it your default keyboard because voice typing needs the active input method. Once done, open any app with text input and bring up Ridmik. Make sure microphone permission is granted. The keyboard cannot record otherwise. You'll see a mic icon on the keyboard toolbar. Tap it to begin. This first action connects permissions to input so voice data flows into the app. Without these steps, voice typing will not activate, so check permissions now. Once the mic is visible, configure recognition options to improve results. You select the speech engine in Ridmik settings because different engines handle accents and vocabulary differently. Make sure the recognition language matches the language you'll speak. Mismatches cause errors. Enable punctuation and auto-capitalization to reduce editing later, and download offline speech files if you need reliability without data. These choices affect accuracy and speed, so tweak them and run a short test phrase to confirm the best combo for your voice. You tap the mic and speak directly into your device, pausing between phrases to let the engine catch up. Speak naturally but enunciate names and technical words. If you need punctuation, say the symbol. This reduces post-editing. Once done, review the text and use Ridmik's suggestions or manual edits for errors. If recognition fails, make sure mic permission is on, restart the app, or switch the speech engine. These fixes resolve most issues because they refresh access and use a different recognition model that might handle your speech better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.